Hey beautiful souls. So everybody who watches this channel should be knowing by now that I like to go all over the world. I like to look at decent and sort of exciting sort of things, okay?
This one to take a video, baby.
Huh?
It's not so
That building behind there, that's where my journey began. Well, on his way, watch this drone show. Welcome to Barcelona in the evening, guys. Sketchy as fuck. Whole place is sketchy as fuck. Fucking ruthless. That shit's spicy. Over here. And this is a dried mixture between an orange and a lemon and pomelo. We're in the sort of touristy bit, which is quite hyped up for the night because of obviously this drone show that's going on tonight. Tomorrow we're going to go and take you and show you the sort of other side to Barcelona, the dark side, the sort of obviously doing the pickpocketing, the robberies and stuff that go on here, and the drug addiction. But right now, enjoying this.
baixem-ne si m'ajudeu a encendre totes les llanternes dels mòbils i les aixequeu ben amunt. Vinga, som-hi!